Hello everyone! We've noticed these scissors are dull and have been used for a long time. Let's try cutting this plastic sheeting. As you can see, I can't cut it at all. They don't even move through the plastic. They're very blunt. What do? We don't have a sharpening stone, and I'm not an expert at sharpening scissors. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple method. We don't need professional sharpening tools or complicated grinding techniques to make these scissors sharp again. So, let's get started. All you need is a broken ceramic tile. Take a look at this tile. We can use this to easily sharpen our scissors. Which side do we use for sharpening? Some people might suggest grinding this side, but that's incorrect. We're going to use this side. You'll notice it has three distinct surfaces: a flat surface, another flat plane, and a beveled edge. We want to focus on that small bevel. Where do we grind? On the small beveled edge. Sharpening this edge is key to making the scissors sharp again. Let's see how it's done. First, open the scissors. Then, apply some toothpaste to the blade. The toothpaste will act as a mild abrasive, helping to sharpen the blade even further. Let's give it a try. Place the beveled edge of the scissors against the tile. Keeping the scissors upright, ensure the blade is directly against the tile. This allows us to grind only the beveled section. Now, apply the toothpaste directly onto the tile where the blade will touch. We're going to use a pushing and pulling motion. Do you see how I'm doing this? Notice the black residue appearing on the tile. That's a good sign. Push and pull firmly, applying slight pressure. It's okay to repeat this motion 30 or 40 times. Keep a consistent pressure and push and pull action. Okay. Let's check our progress. Grind the blade one more time. Apply a little more toothpaste to the area that will touch the tile. Find the tough side of the tile first, and then press the blade against the tile. Look, it's time to start grinding again. Push and pull. Push and pull, remembering to keep the blade flush to the tile. 30 or 40 strokes should do the trick. Now we're done. We didn't need to buy any special sharpening stones. You can easily sharpen your scissors with just a broken tile. Wipe off the excess toothpaste. Now, look, the blade looks very bright. Let's see if they're sharp now. Friends, look, see? See how sharp they are now? Let's test it on this cloth. Let's see. Watch this. Very fast. See? Isn't that great? Sharpening scissors is simple. There's no need for professional grinding tools or specialized training. It's very easy. After watching this, your scissors will be sharper and easier to use. Thank you all for watching. Your comments and attention are welcome. Goodbye.